Hello, Mr. Ali Samba. Today is October 10th. Here I'm making a video to show how we are going to make the 10 ton per day capacity flake ice machine for you. Let me show you the details, okay? The machine will be equipped with a 50 horsepower screw compressor, Gambia screw compressor. This is the model. Your machine will be equipped with the same compressor, water cooling condenser. This one, water cooling condenser. Okay, so that is the same with the machine you bought before. And here is the difference. We will add one heat exchanger, this, to improve the efficiency, and we will also add this economizer. This is the economizer. The economizer can also increase the system's efficiency. Okay, these two make the difference. And these are the additional two components on the machine. Hello, Mr. Ali Samba. This is Mike. We are testing your machine today. So this is your 10 ton per day capacity flake ice machine. It's equipped with a Gambia screw compressor, water cooling condenser, water cooling tower, and these are the additional components we use in your machine: economizer and this heat exchanger, the vertical heat exchanger. You can see the ice is formed on the pipe of your liquid of the machine's liquid supply pipes and the condensed water. Because the liquid supply temperature is only 7 degrees Celsius, and check the machine's evaporating temperature is minus 30. And that is the reason why this machine can make very good quality, better quality ice flakes than other Chinese machines. Now let's focus on the quality of ice flakes. You can see the ice flakes are obviously thicker and stronger than the ice made by other Chinese machines. Such better quality ice flakes can make your customer easily win in the ice market, because your customer will be making better quality ice flakes, thicker ice flakes, stronger ice flakes than other ice suppliers. Okay, now we collect some ice from other area. You can see it's very good quality ice flakes, and the ice making speed is adjustable. You can make it higher speed, you can make it lower speed. So ice thickness is adjustable, okay? You can make thick ice flakes when it's necessary, and you can increase the ice making speed for higher capacity. So your machine is complete and it's well tested. You can arrange the balance so we can ship out the machine as soon as possible. Hello, Ali. Mr. Ali Samba. So here we are loading your machine. This is your 10 ton per day flake ice machine. And this is the panels for the ice room. This is the water cooling tower. The pump for water cooling tower. I assume this is the steel frame to support your machine. Okay, we are loading them. I think we can finish the loading very soon. Huh? This is the container number. Okay. Now we are loading the steel frame. This is the steel frame to support your machine and bear the weight of the machine. You can see this is the steel frame. Your water cooling tower here. This is how my factory looks like in this weekend, and that is the inside of the factory. I think we almost finished loading everything. The ice room panels is already loaded, and now we're loading the water cooling tower. Almost complete.
Sai men tengkol mi free mol mi wol be jila bulol la so may sa ko boy dan tan ya jindi so masim bañi yalo vi jolo wol dal so ni wol jindi no samba plateau de sense so ni wi jo frère mo do re sen ka bañi ci ka jindi so nga yelal ya na dul dindi